Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a sneaky trap from the Borg Defense, played in England 1989. White is Wallwork, and black is Thornton. Get ready to witness how aggressive pawn play can backfire. Let's go move by move and break it all down. White starts with first move e4, the most popular opening, grabbing the center. But black hits back with first move g5, the Borg Defense. Yes, that's grab spelled backward. It's unorthodox and provocative, aiming to shock white out of theory. White continues with second move d4, more central control. Black plays second move h6, a passive move trying to prevent bg5, but it weakens the kingside further. Already, black's setup is looking risky. Third move knight c3, white develops and pressures the center. Black brings out third move bishop g7, trying to fianchetto without fianchettoing. But with pawns on g5 and h6, this bishop is awkwardly placed. Now white plays fourth move h4, aggressively striking back at black's g5 weakness. Black responds fourth move g takes h4, accepting the challenge. But this opens the h-file and weakens black's king even more. Fifth move knight f3, white calmly develops. Black plays fifth move d6, supporting the center and giving space for development, but white already has initiative and better control. Sixth move to knight takes h4, white recaptures the pawn, activating the knight. Now sixth move knight f6, black develops but is still cramped. That knight can't do much while the kingside is exposed. White plays seventh move bishop f4, developing and eyeing the weak d6 square. Black goes seventh move to c6, reinforcing d5, but too slow to match white's lead in development. Eighth move to queen d2, now white is threatening to castle queenside and launch an attack. Black plays eighth move to knight g4, jumping in with the knight, possibly targeting f2, but it's premature and unsupported. Ninth move to white castles long side, signaling an all-out kingside attack. Black tries to create counterplay with ninth move to queen a5, but the queen is offside, not helping the defense. White plays 10th move bishop c4, pointing straight at f7 and preparing tactics. Black plays 10th move b5, trying to push back the bishop, but this is where the trap is about to be sprung. White sacrifices the knight with 11th move to knight takes b5. If black captures the bishop, they are mated quickly. Black takes the queen trade with 11th move to queen takes d2 check, but white sees deeper. 12th move rook takes d2, no problem for white. Then 12th move c takes b5, black recaptures. But white's next move is crushing. And here comes 13th. Move bishop d5. Look closely. It threatens bishop takes a8, and black's rook is hanging. More importantly, all of black's pieces are uncoordinated, and their king is wide open. No way to recover. Black resigns. What a brilliant miniature. Only 13 moves and black's risky setup collapses completely. If you loved that tactical gem, give this video a like, thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more chess traps and openings. Comment below. Would you ever try the Borg Defense? Or is it just a disaster waiting to happen? See you in the next one.